guys, back with another video. This time I've been given this BoYata laptop stand to use. Now I'm so glad they've given me this because I've had surgery on my back, and when I use a laptop I'm like this, bent over, and it hurts. It hurts me a lot. So I'm so glad they've given me this to review. I'm going to unbox it now and review it for you guys. Okay, so first a smart box with a picture of the product. On the back it says laptop stand offers you comfy, healthy lifestyle. Free yourself from neck pain. Also back pain. Gives you all the features, ergonomic designs, adjustable height. It's made from aluminium alloy, anti-skid silicone mats on the bottom, protective hooks to hold the laptop on, and it can hold up to 5 kg laptop, and obviously it's collapsible to pack away. It's compatible for all laptops 7 to 14 inches. Okay guys, let's get on with this. Let's have a look. So this is from BoYata. That's their card there, BoYata. Thank you for purchasing. Thank you for choosing BoYata products. BoYata is committed to providing great products and excellent services for our customers. And then in here you just get the stand. There's nothing else in here. So let's just put that down there. And the stand's in this plastic cover. This is how it comes, guys. So let's take a look at the stand now, and then we'll try it with the laptop. So it's got anti-slip pads. This must be the bottom. Oh, you can hear that, listen. Wow. This is solid. Oh, there's anti-slip pads there. I think that's the bottom. This is the bottom. Right, oh, right, this takes, wow, some muscle, okay? Wow, guys, this takes some muscle. I thought I was breaking it doing that. So please be aware. Right, and then there's this one. Takes some muscle, I'm telling you. Once you get it open, you're alright. That's the stand, guys. I'll just stand up and I'll show you the stand. If it stands up like that, your laptop obviously goes on here and it's held on by these hooks. You've got anti-slip bits for your laptop while it's on there. If your laptop gets hot, guys, you've obviously got this grill to release the heat. Look at the angle you could put your laptop at. Up like that if you wanted. You could have it down like that. You've also got this second adjustment here for a height, so you could have it like that. It's a lot of adjustability, but guys, you've got to take one hand, hold the base, and then pull it. Oh, that's a lot easier. Do it like that, guys, okay? It's a lot easier to adjust doing it like that. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and show you how to use this, and you know, the benefits, you know, things like the benefits for back pain, the benefits for your eyesight, and all sorts, and we'll get into that, guys, in a little while. So I'll catch you in a couple of minutes with a laptop and a keyboard. Okay guys, so I'm back now. I've got myself a laptop. This keyboard I could have done with a wireless one. Imagine you had a wireless keyboard and mouse. You could be using them down here. But this keyboard is wired. So you can, you know, type on your laptop using your keyboard down here and your mouse down here. You don't need to lean over to here. Another great thing about this is, now we're at eye height for conference calls. It's best practice to be at eye height. Also, the great thing for me with my spine is no hunching over to do anything. Straight spine, sit up straight. You've got your laptop at eye height. Of course you can adjust it, and this is one big laptop. This is a big gaming laptop. This is an Asus Republic of Gamers gaming laptop. So it's a big heavy laptop, and it's holding this. and it's stable. If you see any rock there, that's the table it's on. The stand is stable. And you can adjust it, you know, you can press it, you know, different angles. You could have it like that if you wanted. That's quite nice as well. It's just great. It's just great for all the different adjustments. You know, adjust it right up. Let's see how, that's pretty steep. You can see how steep that is. But when you open that up, that is great. The view of the whole screen, it just makes the whole experience. There's the hooks under here holding it. I'm very confident in them. It's not going anywhere on these two hooks. It's not slipping anywhere because the anti-slip. It's just great, guys. I mean, I don't know what to say about it. I mean, I just wish I could fit a mouse on this little table here, because I could show you them doing everything. But you know, you come onto here and you go to your YouTube. I don't really want to play anything in case I get copyrighted. But yeah, you get the idea. Everything's up here at eye height. No more of this. Doing this. I was doing this before. No more of that. But so sturdy. I know it's stiff to open, guys, but that's a plus. That's a plus because it's holding. I will show you this. How big and heavy this laptop is. It's a big, heavy gaming laptop. It also kept it cool with these things. I mean, it just will not go down. That's a plus. Folds away, obviously. Folds away when you push it all down. Goes all the way. If I move my keyboard, push it all the way down, put it away. So you can pack that into your case with your laptop. This is going to change my life, guys, in terms of, believe me when I say this is going to change my life in terms of pain. Because I was hunched, you can see, like this. Now I'm up here like this. It's a real life changer. I highly recommend it. Full disclosure, BoYata sent me this stand for a review, free of charge. But I can tell you guys, if I saw this stand on Amazon for sale, now I know what I know about it, I'd buy it. I recommend it and I would buy it. It's so tough. It's so tough. I mean, it's just blooming solid. The thing is solid, rock solid. Absolutely rock solid. You get these flimsy stands, this is not one of them. So this is the BoYata Laptop Stand. I highly recommend it, guys. There'll be links down in the description. And that's it from me till next time. Have a good day and I'll see you later.